In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this type of AI effect for your videos. So first of all, we need to go to the platform NovoAds AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section, and you can try it for just $1. So you could follow this tutorial and create an AI video paying only that $1 without watermarks. So well, after you create the account, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to click in settings, and here the model that we're going to use is Omni Flash. Now in the length, we need to choose 10 seconds because, well, in my case, I'm going to use a 10 seconds video as a reference. But if you want to use another duration, you can do it. So now we have to click here, and here we need to upload our video. That in my case is this one.
This protein completely changed my routine. Amazing taste, real results, and you notice it super fast. Link in my profile, go grab it.
And there we have it. So let's click here, and here where it says describe your video, we're going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. So now we have to click here, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result. So now let's see it.
This protein completely changed my routine. Amazing taste, real results, and you notice it super fast. Link in my profile, go grab it.
And there we have it. The quality of the video is really good. I really liked this effect. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that the prompt is in the comment section and that you can try this platform for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.